In this video, I'm going to show you a very important little trick in simplifying logarithms. This is just to catch a little misconception before it happens. A lot of students get confused by how to simplify logs. So I'm going to show you that in this video. Check this out. Let's return to this idea of inverses. Suppose I asked you to take the square root of 7 and then square it. Without using a calculator, do you know what this is? Well, hopefully you recognise that the square root of 7 squared is just 7, right? Even though you don't know exactly what that number is, okay, it's like 2 point something, you do know that when you square it, you get 7, which is kind of cool, right? You've got this number, you don't know what it is, but when you square it, you will get 7. But of course, because the square root of 7 is just defined to be the thing which squares to 7. And we could take equally daft numbers, like let's say, what is 12.1 plus 5.9 minus 5.9? Well, without doing any work, you know the answer is 12.1, right? Because plus 5.9 and minus 5.9 just cancel each other out, right? They just go. Just like rooting and squaring, they just go. Notice, by the way, in this one, you could have done it the other way around. If I'd said, what is 7 squared, all square rooted? The answer to that is 7. And why? Because rooting and square rooting are inverses. They just cancel. And it's the same with cube rooting. Yeah, I've got some very complicated number like, 18.4. And then I'm going to cube it. Do you know what that is? Of course you don't. And then I'm going to ask you to cube root some huge number. But obviously the answer is just 18.4 because cube rooting cancels with cubing. With logs, it is exactly the same. Take some wild number like 7.51, and do 2 to the power of that number. Do you know what that is? Of course you don't, nor do I. Now do log base 2 of that. The answer is 7.51. Log base 2 just undoes your 2 to the power of because they're inverses. Okay, so that is exactly equivalent to these ones here, where if you have log base 2 of 2 to the power of something, they'll just go and you're just left with that power. Okay, so that's by definition, right? Because log base 2 literally means 2 to the power of what is this number? Well, 2 to the power of 7.51 is 2 to the power of 7.51. And it could be the other way around as well. If I said log base 2 of 3.93, okay, I'm sure you don't know what that is. Okay, that's 2 to the power of what equals 3.93. I've got no idea. But if I do 2 to the power of that number, now I do, it's just 3.93. Again, 2 to the power of is the inverse of log base 2 of. They just cancel each other out. It's just like your cube root cancelling with your cubing. So, and it could be any base. So for example, it could be in base 6. Yeah, log base 6 of 6 to the power of 101 is 101. Or let's go with base 11. So 11 to the power of log base 11 of 5.1 is 5.1. So exponentials and logs cancel as long as the base is the same. Let's have a look at some examples. Okay, simplify the following. Well, these ones just have x's in rather than numbers. Well, look, log base 3 of 3 to the x. The log base 3 and the 3 to the power cancel, and we just get x. That is exactly equivalent to me saying, what is the cube root of x cubed? The cube root and the cube just cancel and you just get x. Same idea here. Okay, now rather than just kind of bashing that idea over and over again, let's look at one which is a little bit harder. So log base 3 of 9 to the x. Well, look, the base is not the same, but we can make them the same because 9 is a power of 3. So look at this. We can say that this is log base 3 and 9 is 3 squared. So we've got 3 squared to the x. Now using indice laws, that's log base 3 of 3 to the 2x because powers of powers multiply. And now we've got the same base 3 in the log, and base 3, and 3 is the base of the exponential. So that is just 2x. Okay, the log base 3 and the 3 just cancel. Okay, next one. 5 to the power of log base 5 of 2x plus 1. The power of 5, or rather 5 to the power of something and log base 5 cancel, they're inverses, and we're left just with 2x plus 1. And again here, a bit tricky because we've got, well, 8 is the base here and 2 is the base here, so they're not the same, but we can turn 8 into a power of 2 because 8 is 2 cubed. So we've got 2 cubed to the power of log base 2 of x. Now, indice laws tell us that we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of log base 2 of x times 3, okay, because you can just multiply your powers, okay, multiplying these out. Now that is also, again, indice laws, that's the same as 2 to the power of log base 2 of x all to the power of 3. So essentially we can just swap these powers round. Now what is 2 to the power of log base 2 of x? Well, 2 to the power of log base 2 of x, the 2 to the power of the log base 2 cancel, and we've just got x, and the cube is still there. Tricky last example there. Key idea, logs and exponentials are inverses and they cancel so long as the base is the same.